Welcome to Scout Automobile. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting revivals in the automotive world, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This modern reimagining of a classic icon is turning heads, and for good reason. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Karmann Ghia such a standout in VW's evolving lineup. First, a little history. The original Karmann Ghia debuted in 1955 and quickly earned a reputation for its stunning design and smooth driving experience. It was essentially a Volkswagen Beetle under the skin but with sleek, Italian-inspired styling thanks to design house Ghia and coachbuilder Karmann. The blend of modest performance, charming character, and beautiful looks made it a cult favorite. Fast forward 70 years, and VW has decided to breathe new life into this beloved model, this time with an eye on the future and a strong focus on sustainability. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is a fully electric coupe, built on Volkswagen's MEB platform, the same one that underpins the ID.3 and ID.4. This foundation gives it an edge in terms of range, performance, and space efficiency. The design team has managed to pay homage to the original Ghia while giving it a fresh and futuristic aesthetic. There are clear nods to the past. The rounded roofline, flared rear haunches, and smooth body contours all harken back to the 50s icon. But it's unmistakably modern with its LED lighting signatures, frameless windows, and aerodynamic enhancements. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, sits a battery pack offering an estimated 300 miles of range. That's right, the new Karmann Ghia isn't just a looker, it's a capable daily driver. Two powertrain options are expected: a single-motor rear-wheel drive model producing around 210 horsepower and a dual-motor all-wheel drive variant that bumps output to roughly 300 horses. Acceleration is brisk, with the AWD version going from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. That's a world away from the leisurely pace of the original. Inside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia merges classic simplicity with cutting-edge technology. The cabin features a minimalistic dashboard with a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen interface powered by VW's latest software. Sustainable materials dominate the interior: recycled fabrics, vegan leather, and responsibly sourced wood trim. The cabin is snug but thoughtfully laid out, capturing the spirit of a sporty grand tourer. Driving dynamics have been tuned to appeal to enthusiasts. Low center of gravity, precise steering, and balanced suspension give it an agile character. While it's no track car, it delivers a driving experience that feels connected and responsive, which will be important to drivers who remember the original's charm. Noise isolation is excellent, making it ideal for city driving or long weekend escapes. VW hasn't officially confirmed pricing, but early estimates suggest it'll start in the $45,000 to $50,000 range, making it competitive with other stylish EV coupes and convertibles. Speaking of which, a convertible version is rumored to be in the works and could debut a year after the coupe. The brand is clearly aiming for lifestyle buyers, people who care about design, heritage, and a low-emissions future. Perhaps the most exciting thing about the new Karmann Ghia is what it represents. It's not just a car, it's a bridge between the golden age of motoring and the electric future. It's rare that we see such a faithful yet forward-thinking revival, one that doesn't lean too heavily on nostalgia or fall into the trap of trying to be too futuristic. VW has walked that line carefully, and the result is a car that feels authentic and relevant. In a market increasingly crowded with generic crossovers and tech-heavy sedans, the 2025 Karmann Ghia offers something different. It's a return to emotion, to driving for the sake of enjoyment, wrapped in a package that also makes sense in today's eco-conscious world. Whether you're a longtime fan of the original or someone looking for a fresh and stylish EV, the Karmann Ghia deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Scout Automobile. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting us know what you think of this new VW icon. We'll see you next time.